Hello? I didn't do the creep face, I'm sorry.
Okay, but wait a couple seconds. No, you gotta put your head down lower than that.
Lower?
Yeah. I'm just gonna keep it rolling. We'll do it again. Okay, you go whenever you're ready, but give it a couple seconds so I can edit.
Okay.
One more time.
You can't let the clumsy girl trip.
Here's a fake trip, though. This ain't gonna hurt you. Well, never mind. Okay, wait a couple seconds. I'm not ready. Go ahead. Can you make a noise for me, though?
Oh, shit. Yeah.
Don't concentrate too much on putting your head down. Just worry about, like, natural tripping.
Okay.
All right, take 4. Okay, that one will probably work.
Looks like I'm trying to...
Yeah, it's too dark. I can see it. That's it. You have to tilt it up some. Down a little bit, because now we got that light in there. Up a little bit. We get a little bit of light, that's not the whole thing. That's good. I'm going to have to be right here when I step in. So you're going to have to...
Oh, I haven't stopped it yet. You want me to stop it?
It's still crooked for some reason. Should I make that sound now?
Mm-hmm.
Sound like Sloth or something from the Goonies.
Yeah, do it.
Okay. You tell me when to go. And I'll wait a couple seconds.
Go.
So I'm gonna just make a little something. Okay.
Am I supposed to follow anything?
You can. So you're gonna have to do this. You're gonna have to go. No, keep going. You have to go completely up. No, you're gonna have to put your head down, dude. Yeah, you're gonna have to fall completely out of the shot. And I'll even look down at you. So you're gonna have to.
So if I fall down like this, I should be out of it.
Yeah, that's exactly what you need to do. As long as, because your head is still in there for the longest time. For some reason, your head like stays in, the wig stays in that shot. If you need to, as long as you're looking up at me. Because your head, the direction of your head now looks like you're looking at, because you are looking at me. Where I have your head pushed, it's perfect. Because here I am now. Okay? Yeah. Alright, you ready?
I'm recording.
Yeah? Okay. Yeah. Cut it. Let's get you on the ground and get you bloody.